everybody, it's Stephen the nephew here with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to 413 Ferndale Drive South in beautiful South Barrie.
Guys, today we got a beauty townhome for you. Ideal for that downsizer, first-time buyer or an investor. Best part is we're a hop, skip, and a jump from the Art of Bluffs. Check it out.
This is an open concept design. We've got 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. We're finished top to bottom and it includes 5 appliances. Check it out.
You're gonna love the backyard on this home. We got a newly constructed deck, tons of green space for the kids and dogs, plus big mature trees in behind. For more information on this listing and others, visit our website.